Today we're going to look into Amore's GitHub release action, which helps you to automatically ship new releases just based on changes that happen in Git. So a push to main or a push to a release tag or something like that can trigger a new release and then gets automatically rolled out to your users. And we're going to look how to set this up. We're going to use a demo project for this called Pomodoro. It's here, it's open source, so you can also see how it is implemented there, and you can learn from that. Otherwise, we have this very well documented on GitHub, on the release action itself, but also here on amore.computer. So we want to set up this multi-channel thing where you can see if we push to main, we're going to release to the alpha channel. If we create a release tag with including beta, it's going to ship to the beta channel, and otherwise to the stable channel if we just include a normal release tag. So all we need to do to get this into our app is copy and paste this. And then we need to create a new file in GitHub workflows, and we're just going to call this release.yaml. And once we add this here, you can see there's like a bunch of configuration options where we can skip that. The only thing we need to change for now is Pomodoro, because that is the scheme of the project that we're trying to build, where you can see you can change the Xcode version here and a bunch of other settings. What we need to do is we need to define these secrets, which I already have done for this project, but I'm going to show you where you can find this and where you can configure them. So in our project, we go to settings, go to secrets and variables, actions, and here in the repository secrets, we just add all of these secrets. So Amore token you can get from Amore. It's in Amore settings. It has an API key setting, so you can just add this. You just need the release scope for this. As I said, I already created one. Then we need credentials from App Store Connect for notarization. You can find more information how to get this in this help post. Where is it? Here. It has like links on directly where you have to click to integrate it. Same thing with the code sign identity. This walks you through it. You can just like copy and paste it or ask your agent to do it for you. And you can also, and the Sparkle private key you can get from the Amore app itself again. There's an option, Sparkle private key, copy and paste that into GitHub and you're good to go. So now we have this action set up here. We just need to commit it to Git now. So I'm just going to say add Amore GitHub action. And once I push this, we will see it pop up here. It should normally already show here. Oh, it does. Okay. So we can see it picked it up and it's building now. We can head over to actions to see how that looks like. You can see I already did some test builds before, but because we pushed on main, this will now be automatically published to your alpha channel. We're not going to sit here and wait until this is done. I wanted to show you something else, because you can also kick off a new release right from actions. So you can go to the release section here, run a workflow, choose the branch you want this to. Could also be a feature branch or a PR that you want to test. And then just define the channel it should go into. So alpha, beta, stable we have here. As I said, you can configure this into your own workflow action. And the build number automatically gets increased. You don't need to worry about that all the time. And you can also set a new marketing version. And once you hit run workflow, this takes you from having nothing to basically like a whole new app. The whole process is actually pretty fast. It should, depending on the app size, should take between 3 and 10 minutes. And it will automatically get rolled out to your users. Okay, so we can see the release was successful, and we can verify that in Amore itself. We can see the release here got published. We can change everything about it. We can define release notes. We can take it back. We can delete it, we can change the release channel, and all of these things. The only question for you now is how you can integrate release channels into your app. We decided to do this for Amore. We just have like one toggle for one beta channel. We don't have an alpha channel yet. And the user can decide if they want to get it. It's just a toggle backed by user defaults. And if this is enabled, we will get updates from the beta channel. If it's disabled, we get updates from the stable channel. You can see on Sparkle how to customize this. It's actually very simple. There is this updater delegate that you can override and use the allowed channels methods. As I said, ours here just checks if user defaults beta is true, then we set this to beta. But you can use everything you want. For example, you can use post-hoc feature flags or other kind of feature flags, or whatever your team needs. Basically, you can have as many channels or as little as you want to. And for the end, I just want to show how you can release like new beta versions with this flow. So just to say v10 beta, and we're going to push this to Git, and GitHub should automatically pick this up, create a new job in the release runner here. Don't know if I have to, okay, here it is. So you can see release Pomodoro beta. And the same thing for stable versions as well. Let's just quickly do this too. 1.0, same thing again. Push this to Git, and now it actually should cancel the beta and start a new one here. Okay, that looks good. And that's all you need to know. I'm going to put all of the documentation into the description so you can read through it. Important parts are the Amore release action. Just take that, change a little bit the configuration, customize it for your project, and set the environment secrets on your project. And you're good to go. You have this really nice CI setup for your team, for your app. That's all.